or super ama Madam Fadia. Na yesu ye nyina na ya dinuchi. Well, na yesu Kuffour say or yani papa well. Yesu ya fire hanging yesu be. You know, Kuffour, the honey of fire speed. Now the tree hole next to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's grave no coffee no. That's or the tree grave no the Madam Fadia way show. From that moment, that national monument that we built to honor that man became a family graveyard. Do you see how his grave was desecrated? Mills mu, John mu, you have chopped into the man's name. Now, what you said, what did fine one Nkrumah? Look at what his enemy pretended, so and so. Now desecrate his national monument. You get it? Semi kanyama muntiasie. Yeah, we were muamunim, Philip. And you're fair. Minawati. And yafe compound is big. You could have dug 101 holes and put Madam Fatia also there. Build a 3 times the story building monument. You did not have to do that under the same monument under which Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was. It fooled all of you.
A friend of mine just sent me a message. Papa J, Jerry be too much. Well, let's look on. It's because the story is on the front page of the Daily Dispatch, so we just decided to do a recap. We generated all this, so it's on the front page. What do you say? Well, let's look at the Business and Financial Times. MMDA's budget to be ready in January as Parliament approves apparently 359 million Ghana cedis for local government ministry. We also have free zones board targets $5.4 billion in exports in 2018. It's a good one. And inflation inches up slightly ahead of festive season. Of course, and then after, it goes more. Yeah, that's how usually the trend is as far as our economic